To clean the coil, start by shutting off power to your unit. Then remove the cover on your indoor air handler and locate the evaporator coil. As a good rule of thumb, always wear gloves when working with chemicals. Start with a test spot and spray the Quick Clean foaming coil cleaner directly onto the fins. The condensation will drag the dirt down the fins and into the condensate drain line. Wait for the solution to self-rinse by itself. Then speed up the process by misting it with water. After you're done, drop a condensate pan tablet in the drain pan to reduce future clogging in your drain line. Make sure the tab reaches the bottom where the water collects. Cover the unit and turn it back on. And that's it. That's what makes us quick.